Hi all, today we will discuss different ways to import packages, modules and their functions from other directories. As shown on the screen, there are four methods to import modules from other directories. We can use module and script words, vice versa. Same way, we can use directory, folder, package words, vice versa. Apart from it, we can use method or function words interchangeably. From my perspective, sys.path.insert should be the preferred way to import package, script, or their function from other folders. Hence, we will see this method today. Regarding other three methods, from my perspective, we should restrict ourselves from using those methods. The reason being sys.path.append. In this, the folder path will be appended at the last in the list. So chances are if imported module in the script, if found from any earlier path, it will be imported from that earlier path, and the required module from different path will be left out from importing. Import lib, in which we need to import this package import lib in order to import modules or packages or their function from different directories. Python path, so in this we might have issue with a script trying to import a module, because if the module has been found in a path, it will import that module instead of required one and cause the issue. So over here, this Python path and sys.path.append will have same effect, that if a module or a function has been found in any earlier path, then it will first try to import the module from those paths, and hence a module from the required path will not be imported. Then it will cause the issue in functionality. In this video, first we will see how to use sys.path.insert. After that, we will see some more details, and in case you are interested to know more, you can continue. So first, let's see the folder architecture. So I will go to command line. Here I will use the command pre-calculations. As shown on the screen, we have main folder calculations, which has a parent folder 11.2 import from other directory. Then within this calculations folder, we have three more folders, each having scripts within them. First folder is addy, which is having addition.py file, which contains a function to sum two numbers. Another folder is mult, which is having multiply.py file, which contains a function to multiply two numbers. The last folder is exam, having two scripts. One is using sys.py and another one is without sys.py. Let's see them one by one. Using sys.py is a script that contains uses of sys package to help to import packages or modules or their function from another directories. In this script, calculations is the main folder. Addy and mult are the subfolders of calculation folder. Addition and multiply are the script names, and summation and multiplications are the functions that we have imported from respective places. Now with sys package, we need to provide the path till the parent folder or root folder of the different subfolders. This is the way through which we can import packages from other directories. So here in my case, parent folder is calculations for this AD and mult subfolds. Here this line os path dot directory name and os path abs path will provide that required path. Here this underscore file underscore referring to the current script which we are seeing right now on the screen. Here you can add or remove this os path directory name command, and based on that you will get different paths. So you need to make sure that you have correct path using this command. This line sys.path.insert 0, path will insert parent folder path to system path so that discovery of the required packages from other directories will be possible and easy. Also, it will insert the path in the first position as we have this 0 indicated over here. Without this .py, it is an example that will show that what will happen if we try to import packages, modules or their function from another folders or directories without sys package. So first, let's see uses of sys package using sys script. Here I will execute the command python -m calculation.exam.using underscore sys, and you can see that we are able to execute the script successfully. Same will hold true for another Python command, python calculations /exam /using underscore sys.py. As you can see, lines above this plus pattern shows the parent directory path the root part of all those subfolders. So in my case, AD, mult are the subfolders which I want to import in my exam folder, and within that exam folder, in that using sys script. So over here, this path is my parent or root path for all those three subfolders called AD, mult, and exam. Also, lines above the stars, so this one shows paths that Python is referring to import modules and their functions or packages stated in the script using sys. So as I have mentioned, when we say sys.path.insert 0, it will insert the required path or provided path at the first position in the list. And if you talk about sys.path.append, it will insert that particular path at the last in the list. This path is the parent path or root path for AD, mult, and exam subfolders. This is how, by inserting root path or parent path to the Python system path, we can import packages, modules, or their functions from another directory. Also, one thing to note is when we will use this -m option call any script, it will insert current directory from which we are executing the command to the system path. So over here, as I am executing this command from this directory 11.2 import from other directory, it will insert that particular path into the system path. Okay, so this is the path to the current working directory from which I am executing the command. Whereas when we use this .py command, this particular command, it will add parent folder of the script to the system path. Over here, for this script using sys, the parent folder is exam. So over here, it has inserted path till exam folder into the system path. Okay, path. Now next part is to provide some more details, like if we will execute the script in different ways, then what will happen and why. So if you would like to go ahead and have some more details, please continue to watch this video. So now I will clear this screen and I will execute the command python -m calculations.exam.without underscore sys. Okay, and you can see that a kind of magic has happened and script has executed successfully. So if you see the script over here, we haven't used any sys insert or sys append command, but still the script has been executed successfully. The reason being, Python has automatically added the parent directory of current folder from where we are executing the command. So over here, we can say this is the parent directory for this calculations folder, as well as we can see that this is the current directory from which we are executing the command. So over here, Python has inserted this particular directory path in the system path. Now, if I execute the command python calculations exam without this.py, you can see that we have got the error that module not found, such that no module named calculation. So this error is due to import command in the script. So this is the import command from calculations. So it is not able to find that calculations folder. Okay, because if you see over here in this list of system paths, there is no way it can find that calculations folder because it has this calculations slash exam, but it does not have any path which is still this current working directory or parent directory of calculations folder, and hence it is not able to find that particular calculations package, and hence this error. So this way of executing the script will never work until and unless we use sys package to import any other package module or their methods from another directory. So we will focus on executing the script with -m option. Next, let me change the directory to calculations. Now let me execute the command python -m calculations.exam.without sys again. Again, it will result into an error that module not found, but this time the error is due to the terminal command that it is not able to locate this calculation in its current directory or folder or the directory from which we are executing the command. So let me remove calculations from this command and I will execute it again, and you can see that again we have got the error that module not found, but this time the error is due to the script command. So the error is due to this, like from calculation. So again, it is not able to find this calculation folder. Now let me remove calculations word from this import statement as well. Okay, I will save it and now I will run the script again, and you can see that the script has successfully. So while importing the module from other directories, it's advisable to use this package. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.